Hello everyone, my name is JK and welcome back to a classroom for manual elemental experiment. Today with me is my good friend Gilbert to help me to this experiment, and it's a magic trick. Do you like magic? Yeah. This is the only magic that depends on faith much more than tricky and dexterity. Okay? Now I'm going to use my blue bicycle deck for this magic trick. I will mix the card quickly. I will divide the card into two packets. Okay, you pick this packet and select a card, show it to your friends at home. And once you do that, I will turn my face away from the table. Okay, when we're done, pay my attention. You can assign this your card before looking for it. It doesn't matter really. And when we're done, pay my attention.
I'm ready.
Okay. So I would like you to take this deck, okay, and put it beneath the table and follow the few instructions that I've given. Okay, I would like you to take the first card on top, which is not good for performing magic experiment. Put it beneath. Okay, now the current card on top, I would like to take it and turn it face up. Now, because this trick depends on faith, I would like you to use the faith to try to estimate where your card will be and slot it over there. And when we're done, you can put the deck on the table. Okay. So, like I said, this depends on faith. Okay. So let's go through the card and see where you're able to slot your card. Okay, we have your card facing up over here. And it was able to trap one card. So let's isolate that card from the deck. Okay. So this was the card that you turned face up. Do you remember the card that you showed to your friends at home?
Yeah.
What card is it?
So the Jack of Club.
Jack of Club. Let's see. Wow, that's what Jack of Club. You have enough faith. You can go to heaven. So this trick does not require my skills, okay? So I will teach you today, and when you go back home, you can perform to entertain your friends and family right away with any deck of cards in your hands. Now this is how the trick goes. I use the blue deck because it has this white border around it instead of the red back card, which has no border. And I will give you the reason why in a jiffy. Okay, so you can shuffle the card or mix it. It does not really actually matter. Then you divide the card into two and give one to your audience. Okay. Now the secret behind the trick is when you turn your face away from the table. And once you do that, you turn the card, the first card beneath, you turn it face up. And this card becomes what we call the key card. The key card will help you to locate the card that your audience member selected. Okay? So let's say, for example, this is selected card, the Seven of Hearts. It goes on top. So I will turn the card face up. Then the second card on top, I will turn it face up again and cover it with this one. So when I come, I normally want to take it because this one can expose the card showing up. So I'll take it and then square the card. Then I'll give it to you and ask you to take it under. Now when you go under, what I have to do is that I ask you to take the first card. And the first card on top is the one that is covering this card. So when you take it, it goes down. I normally say it is so good for performing magic trick. And this card is showing up. So if we sort it in, then there are going to be two cards showing up. So what I say is that turn it face up. So by turning it face up, it becomes face down instead. Okay? Then as you use your feet, which you have. So you find any spot in the card with the expectation of trying to locate your card. So let's take, for example, your card to this side and you put it. So in this case, when I spread the deck, I'm going to find one card facing up. And that's the card that I turn face up initially. Now, that card will go right on over your selected card, which was Seven of Hearts. So when you isolate the card facing up with the card that it was able to identify, then it's going to be the selected card, which is Seven of Hearts. Okay. Now the reason why I normally want to use border card with white background is that it contrasts with this one. And so when you turn it and mistakenly you display it a little bit, it will still show white and you don't show what the color of the card. Okay, but when you use this one and you turn it face up and you cover it to the first card, realize that if you're not very careful and display it, it will expose the card. Look at me. It will you expose it and then anybody at all can catch you up on that. So do you understand the explanation to the trick?
Yeah.
If that is yes, then I would like you to perform the trick for me right now to see if you can also perform for my friends and family at home.
So Mr. Anand, I'd like to show you a magic trick.
I like magic. I want to be amazed.
Okay, and so this magic does not depend on trick without rather your feet.
I have small feet. I'll try.
So first I'll shuffle the
Cards are falling down.
like so first I'll shuffle the cards
Okay.
and I will divide it into two.
Okay. So this one is right.
Yeah, you pick one and pick one.
What should I do with this?
So now you go through the card and your favorite card, you take it and put it on top
Okay.
while I look away.
Okay. So I have a favorite card. I'll look for it. I'm done.
Right. So now I put my card on top.
Okay.
Right, so now you take the cards
Okay.
and put under the table and you follow the following instructions.
Okay.
So you take the first card and you put it beneath.
First card goes beneath. Okay.
And the second card, you turn it face up
Face up.
and you slot it between the cards in the place.
Okay. In a way. Okay. I'm done.
And then I put it back on the table.
Here is it.
Right, so now we'll try to use your feet to locate your card.
Yes. We're looking for the card that turned face up, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
So these ones are not useful. Okay. So this is my card.
so this is the card you turn face up.
Yes.
Right, so now it has helped us to locate your card.
Okay. I was surprised if that's my card. My card is Ace of Spade. Ace of Spade.
Yes.
Ace of Spade. Wow. That's my card. I have enough faith. I can go to heaven. Wow. Thank you very much, Gilbert, for joining me on this experiment. You are calmly. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and see you again in the next experiment.